Part 51. Now we are going to be building the front and the back sections, which is going to be this wall here. We've already built these, which are sitting right there. And we're going to be building the front section, which is this part here. So what we need to do is we need to cut two pieces, 2.5 at 34 inches long. So that's what we got right here, two of those pieces. And you could cut these out of 2x6s, or you could use 2x4s. I just happen to have extra 2x4, so I used it. And then you need to cut this at 2.5 inches tall with a 22.5 degree angle. So if we come over here to the table saw, if you had to, you could rip it with a skill saw, but I feel for you. So we tipped our blade at our 22.5 degrees, got that locked in, and then I took a scrap piece and I marked that from a 2.5. And then I started wide and I kept moving the fence over until I got a test cut that landed where I wanted it to land at. And if you need to know what the bottom dimension is on the blade, then you have a piece you can reference off of, and it's approximately 2 inches. So you can measure over here to get your 2-inch dimension to get your blade set correctly. It's really difficult to measure on the top side to get the 2.5 because of the distance from the blade. Like if I started out with a cut piece like that measured over 2.5, I might be able to get it pretty close, but to try to get it on the first shot is kind of difficult. So we got that test piece done. We can throw that away, and now we're ready to rip our 34-inch board, and we're going to need 2 of those pieces. So that's what I am cutting out next.